Welcome back to our channel. Yep, former Real Housewives of Beverly Hills star Yolanda Hadid and her longtime cowboy in shining flannel, Joseph Jingoli, have called it quits. The engagement is off, the love spiral has spiraled out, and somewhere in Pennsylvania, a romantic farm just became ground zero for heartbreak. Now, before you go thinking this is just another celeb couple biting the dust, this one has layers, like an organic onion grown right on Yolanda's farm. Let's rewind. She literally manifested this man into her life. Not Tinder. Not Hinge. No. Yolanda wrote her dream man down on paper, made a love spiral, and poof, Joseph showed up at her door like an Amazon Prime delivery. That's either true love or a Hallmark movie waiting to happen. They had secret proposals in Holland, anniversary Instagram tributes, and more heartfelt quotes than a Pinterest vision board. All my life I prayed for someone like you, she wrote. Fast forward to 2025, and suddenly it's thank you next. Yolanda Hadid and her longtime partner Joseph Jingoli reportedly ended their engagement in January. They remain friends and have nothing but fond memories of their time together, a source told People on Thursday. Could not reach reps for Hadid or Jingoli for comment. The Real Housewives of Beverly Hills alum, 61, and the construction CEO, 66, met in 2017, after she moved to Pennsylvania and purchased her own farm. News emerged in August 2024 that the couple had gotten engaged 2 years earlier. The reality TV star told People that Jingoli popped the question with a secret proposal while the couple was visiting Holland. Years earlier, during a January 2018 interview with People, Hadid commented on the beginning of the relationship, following her divorce from David Foster. I really wanted to take this time, to heal from not only Lyme disease but my divorce and really step into my own power as an independent woman, she said. And so I really took that time. I didn't want to date. I didn't want to meet anybody. Hadid said she began focusing and somehow manifested a romance with Jingoli. I made a love spiral and wrote down exactly everything that was important to me in a man, and he magically just rang the doorbell at the farm, she recalled. When you meet somebody that thought he was going to die, like I felt I was gonna die, you have a whole new appreciation for life and you kind of share that, so that's really already a common bond that we have. To live in the moment, enjoy every day and not wait. Why take it slow? Let's just go for it and have a great time. In 2021, the former model took to Instagram to gush over Jingoli in an anniversary tribute. All my life I prayed for someone like you, she wrote alongside a collection of affectionate photos with the cowboy. Thank you for being such a bright light in my life, the calm in my storm, and for being the most honorable man that I know. Happy 2-year anniversary, Joey Jingoli. I love and appreciate you. Prior to her relationship with Jingoli, Yolanda was married to Mohammed Hadid from 1994 to 2000 and Foster from 2011 to 2017. She and Mohammed share supermodel daughters Gigi and Bella, as well as son Anwar. And there you have it, the end of a love story that once seemed written in the stars. Yolanda Hadid and Joseph Jingoli's journey together was filled with meaningful moments, shared healing, and deep affection. From a chance meeting on her Pennsylvania farm to an intimate proposal in Holland, their relationship was built on authenticity and emotional connection. Even though they've chosen to go their separate ways, the love and respect they shared still echo in the words Yolanda once wrote, calling Joseph the bright light in her life and the calm in her storm. It's always bittersweet to see long-term couples part ways, especially when their bond felt so genuine and healing. But sometimes love serves its purpose in helping us grow, heal, and rediscover who we are, even if it doesn't last forever. Yolanda's journey has been one of resilience, from battling Lyme disease to navigating life after high-profile divorces and finding strength in her independence. Her time with Joseph was a chapter filled with mutual care and companionship, and we wish them both the best as they move forward on their individual paths. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching.